Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me.
Hello everyone, this week we're going to work on another shimmy called the African shimmy. African shimmy is a combination of two belly dance techniques. One is the chest drop, alright, going down, and the other one is the pelvis tuck. So you basically do both of these together to create this shimmy. Alright, so what you do is you do the chest drop and the pelvis tuck together like this. So it's like you're doing crunching on your upper abs like that. Okay, if this is your body, you are basically doing this. Okay, both bottom and top getting closer to each other. Alright, so you closer and closer and closer. While you're trying to do this, do not involve your head because you do not want the head to go down as well. So the only part that is moving is basically your chest and your pelvis. Alright, so you have to stay a little bit low so that it's easier for you to do the pelvis tuck, alright, the pelvis contraction. For example, now I'm putting my left leg on my toes, alright, flat on my right, and I'm just going to do this. My upper body, my neck stays the same, but my chest is dropping and my pelvis is tucking in at the same time. And because it's a shimmy, you have to keep it loose and consistent. All right, so when you do it fast, it will look like this. Okay? All right, now let's try to do some combinations so that you can practice this. Okay, we will start slow and then we will increase the speed a little bit and then we will go even faster. Okay, so you're going to start by putting your weight on the right leg, relax your left leg. We're going to do two slow on your right side. Hands just going to be at the side. We're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to change to the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to come back for a slightly quicker 4. Okay, 2 sets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to come back for a fast 8. All right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then we repeat all this all over again. All right, let's try this with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 5, 6, 7, 8, slightly faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. Fast. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time.